Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the PC and device. Do this now. Plug the switch into the PC with a reliable USB-C cable, then open Easy Method and verify the version. Once done, create a full configuration backup to a local folder and include a timestamp in the file name so you can restore if needed. Make sure the switch shows connected in the app. If it does not, toggle USB mode on the device and replug. These steps prevent data loss and speed troubleshooting. You will now run the recovery sequence carefully. From Tools, choose Emergency Recovery, then point Easy Method to the correct firmware image and confirm the checksum so you avoid corrupted writes. Next, start the flash. Keep the PC on battery or connected to stable power to prevent interruption. While flashing, disable antivirus and close apps that use USB to avoid resource conflicts. Monitor progress and do not disconnect. If progress stalls past 90 seconds, note the error code shown and prepare for a retry after rebooting both devices. Complete the recovery by allowing the switch to reboot, then verify it boots into the new firmware and run the built-in self-test to confirm core functions. Once stable, restore your saved configuration and check critical settings like network profiles and auto-recover options. If the device fails to boot or shows errors, try the key troubleshooting step. Reflash using a different USB cable, and if needed, a separate PC to rule out host-side problems. If errors persist, record the logs and error codes before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.